Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we learning about linear equation with higher level. You can see in the last video, sometimes you also know about the solving equation like this. And this is very easy for you now, but you can see here in left hand side, you only have one variable in one side. And the other side is the constant number. But in this video, I want you to work with something like this. In this kind of exercise or this kind of equation, you can see now in the left hand side you have variable, and in the right hand side you also have variable. And how can you do this question for solving the variable for x? So the main point for this one is simplify expression. And at the same time, you have to apply transposing method two times. The first time, I will move negative 10 from right hand side to left hand side. And negative 10 is mean plus 10. And you got 10 here plus 3. And at the same time, you move x from left hand side to right hand side. X from left hand side is positive x, and you move it to right hand side, it's become to negative x like this. So from this you got 13 equal to 2x minus x. 2x minus x is mean 1x. So 1x is mean x, and x equal to 13 is my final answer for this question. Okay. That is the first example for this question. So another question you can work with like this, plus 10. Okay, so how can you write down this one? How can you solve your working out for this question? Yep. We have two variables, 4x in left hand side and 3x in right hand side. You can change every x to left hand side, or you can change every x to right hand side. It doesn't matter. So in last question, I changed every x to right hand side. So for this question, I want to change every x to right hand side, to left hand side, sorry. So 4x from here, I will keep it unchanged. And 3x from right hand side, I move it to left hand side, is minus 3x. And how about minus 2 from here? Minus 2 move to right, is become to 2. 2 plus 10 like this. So you can have here is 4x minus 3x equal to x. And this one is 12. Yes, that is the first way. Or another way, the second way for solving this question, you can change average from left hand side to all right hand side. 3x in right hand side, you keep it unchanged, and 4x from left hand side, you move it to right hand side, become to minus 4x like this. So negative 2, you keep it in here. And how about 10? 10 from right hand side, you move it to left hand side, it's become to minus 10 in here. So minus 10 minus 2, you got minus 12. And for this one, 3 minus 4, you got minus 1x. So minus 1x and minus 12, you move it to left hand side, it's become to x, and this one become to 12. Okay, so that's these two ways for working this question give you the same answer. So it doesn't matter, you can change every x to left hand side or to right hand side. The final answer always be true. Okay. So that is the second example for this question. The next one, a little bit harder. You got this. How can you work with this? Okay, you have here 4x in left hand side and 2x in right hand side. I will change to left hand side. You got this one. Minus 2x, yeah, it's not 2x anymore. You move it, you have to apply transposing method, and it's become to minus 2x in here. Plus 10 means 10 minus 10 in here, Yup. So this one you got 2h and this is minus 14. Yeah, so this is not only h anymore, you have 2h in this side and you want to work with this one or you want to find the value of h, apply captain on top method. So minus 4, minus 15 stand alone, so this is captain on top. On top, another number will be denominator, and then you got minus 7 for the last question, for the last answer. Okay, so this is my final answer for this question. Yeah, so you can see it's not too difficult but a little bit weird for you, and you have to know about how can you simplify expression for solving this one first. Yeah. Okay, another ways or another question, and the last question for this video, and this is 10h plus 7. Okay, how can you work with this? 5h and negative 8h here, from right to left. Minus 4 become to 4 and plus 7. This is 11, and for left hand side minus 5h minus 8h become to negative 3h. So 11 is captain on top, so divide by minus 3, and you got here is minus 11 over 3. Minus 11 over 3. Yeah, that is the final answer for this question. So the next video we will practice a little bit more about this kind of exercise for make it works. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.